Only 1% of people solve this question correctly. Can you? 2 divided by 2 is 1, and again 2 divided by 2 is 1, and 1 divided by 1 is 1. But this answer is wrong because we didn't follow the order of operations, which is called PEMDAS. Look, PEMDAS is just a simple trick to remember the order of operations in math, from first to last. First, P is for parentheses, so you always clear those out first. Next is E for exponents, like powers and roots. Then you have M and D for multiplication and division. These two are on the same level, so you just solve whichever one comes first from left to right. Finally, you get A and S for addition and subtraction, which work the exact same way, you just finish them up from left to right. In this problem, we only have division, which according to PEMDAS we solve from left to right. 2 divided by 2 equals 1. 1 divided by 2 equals 1/2. So the expression becomes 1/2 divided by 2, which we solve using the KCF rule. When we reach a point where we have a fraction divided by a whole number, we use the KCF rule. KCF stands for keep, change, flip. We keep the first fraction exactly as it is, change the division sign to multiplication, and flip the second number to its reciprocal. Then we simply multiply the numerators and denominators to get the final answer. According to the KCF rule, in the first step, we keep the first term as it is, meaning we write 1/2. In the second step, we change the division sign to a multiplication sign. And in the third step, we flip the second term, so the number 2 becomes 1/2. As a result, 1/2 times 1/2 equals 1/4. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to the channel.